Hi everyone, I'm Jonathan. Welcome to my channel where I talk about how to create a USDT Flash on both ERC20 and TRC20 networks. Before we get started, I just want to say, if you're interested in this topic, in making serious profits, and in everything I'm about to share with you, make sure to join my Telegram, Flash_Jonathan. There I share exclusive updates, provide personal support, and help you maximize your opportunities. I'm here to guide you so you can unlock real potential and take your skills to the next level. Don't miss out. Let's dive in.
So let's start creating Flash USDT. To insert a code snippet into your document, begin by looking for the insert code option, which is usually found in the toolbar at the top of your editing window. This button may be labeled as insert code or represented by an icon that looks like angle brackets. Once you next choose the program where our code will be written. Be sure to note this is very important, 0.8.7. That's it, we've completed everything. A checkmark has appeared. Next we need to connect our wallet. That's MetaMask. We'll work exclusively with it. Click connect. Everything went through for us. Next we need to enter a name. Follow my instructions exactly. Next we'll need to pay for gas. Here, set it to at least 1. Confirm. And you need to pay the network gas fee. This is for creating the token. Wait a little bit. Next, deployed contracts should appear for us. That's it, successful. Now the number 1 has appeared. Go here, you need to copy the address. Go to MetaMask. Remember, to get started, you must have at least 0.1 ETH. Next, send the address. Here, enter 0.1 and for 0.1 ETH you will receive more than 50,000 Flash USDT. They can be used both in the casino and on the platform for purchasing skins in Steam for various games. If you want to get 100,000, then this amount should be twice as much, and so on. Click create and pay the gas fee. Wait for the transaction to be completed. And here on your balance you should see 0.1. When 0.1 appears, click start, and then we'll see how our wallet changes. The transaction is complete. Excellent. Next, we need to wait for a while. That's it, you now have 0.1 Ether, and we're going to send it. Again, pay the gas fee and enter the number 1. Here in the second tab, that's it, pay the gas fee. And wait for a while. That's it, the operation is complete. So remember our balance, and soon it should change. You just need to wait patiently for about 3 minutes, a little longer. Let's wait just a little bit. There it is, it has changed. Congratulations. As a gentle reminder, please don't forget that you should only send your Tether, specifically on the Ethereum network, to any gambling platforms or to top up your Steam accounts.